Hi, it's Mark here, and as a refurber of properties and dressing properties, this is my trusty washing machine. And the thing is that these things are heavy. It takes two people to lift these, and that's because of these things in here. So this is the drum, and the drum looks like a stainless steel thing from inside the glass, but actually it's got a whole heap of junk on it as well. So that's quite heavy, that thing. And then we've got two concrete blocks, that one on the bottom and that one on the side. So we've got two concrete blocks in the washing machine, and then we've got the motor. Now what you need is, because this is a pain, washing machines are an absolute pain to install in a house, move out of a house, move back into storage, back into the house to dress a property, especially if you're not leaving it there. So this has had all of this stripped out, and now we've just got the case. Now it looks like a relatively clean new washing machine, and you'll see that this is completely empty. There's nothing in here, but when the machine is put into the hole that it fits, or the gap that it fits in a kitchen, because it's dark behind, you can't see any of that. It just looks like a normal washing machine. Doesn't look any different at all. And of course, your removal guys who take it out of storage and put it into your house can lift it really easily. They won't complain about it because it's really, I mean, it's quite bulky, but it's really easy to lift. It looks like a washing machine, and it will dress your property for you, put them in gaps, look like a washing machine without those nasty gaps that you see in some agents' photos where there's just this horrid gap with an undecorated wall behind it. That looks terrible. This looks like a finished product. Now, to strip this, you need a machine mic, or mic the machine. Mic the machine will take about 2 hours to strip it out. Pay them to strip it out, get it all stripped down. You can actually keep these as a fire pit, because they make great fire pits, long like, because they're all stainless steel in there. But these are your heavy bits that you want out. So 2 blocks of concrete, one on the side, one on the bottom. You want the motor out, and we want the drum out, because they're the bits that make a machine too heavy to lift for one person. So you need 2 people in. They're an absolute pain to put in house, and it's the same with the fridge. I'll do another video on a fridge for you, but that's just a light as you like, can move about, put in a property, fill a gap in when you're dressing to sell, and Bob's your uncle. All right, my name's Mark, see you soon.